If you work in AutoCAD and need to make a quick update to a block, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Editing blocks in AutoCAD is one of the fastest ways to update repeated objects throughout your drawing, because once you change the block definition, every instance of that block updates automatically. That means less manual work, fewer mistakes, and a much smoother workflow. So if you're trying to save time and learn a simple AutoCAD skill that you'll use again and again, you're in the right place. And before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AutoCAD tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing that contains the block you want to edit. Once your file is open, take a moment to locate the block in your drawing. This could be anything you've inserted multiple times, like a title block, symbol, door, window, furniture item, or any custom object that repeats across the project. The key thing to remember is that you are not editing just one copy. You are editing the block itself, which means the changes can affect every place that block appears. Now, find the block you want to modify and double-click it. In AutoCAD, this is one of the easiest ways to enter the block editor. After you double-click the block, AutoCAD should open the block editor workspace or the dialog, depending on your settings and version. This is where you can safely make changes to the block definition without affecting the rest of your drawing directly. Inside the block editor, you can start making your changes. You might move objects to adjust their position, add new objects if the block needs more detail, or delete objects you no longer want included. You can also refine lines, shapes, or text so the block looks exactly the way you need it to. Take your time here and make sure the block is updated correctly before you exit, because once you save, those changes will carry across every inserted copy of that block in the drawing. If you need to verify anything while editing, zoom in and inspect the block carefully. This is especially useful if your block includes small elements or precise geometry. The block editor gives you a focused environment, so you can make clean, accurate changes without getting distracted by the rest of the drawing. This is one of the biggest advantages of editing blocks instead of changing each object one at a time. When you're happy with the edits, go up to the ribbon and click Close Block Editor. This tells AutoCAD that you're finished making changes and want to exit the block editor environment. After that, AutoCAD will usually prompt you to save the changes. Be sure to click Save Changes because this is the step that actually applies your edits to the block definition. Once you save, AutoCAD automatically updates all instances of that block in your drawing. So if the block appears 20 times, every one of those 20 copies will reflect the changes you just made. That's what makes block editing so powerful and so efficient in AutoCAD. Instead of manually changing each copy, you edit once and update everything at the same time. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit blocks in AutoCAD using the block editor, make your changes, close the editor, and save the updated block so all instances refresh automatically. This is a simple but essential skill that can save you a lot of time on real projects. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.